Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Now this is just a one-off video looking at the M&S Food Chocolate Chip Cookie Stars Musical Light Up tin. Now let me just emphasise that this is a one-off video and that I will not be starting doing any product reviews. Now we were gifted this as a Christmas present and I thought that it looked pretty cute, and as such a little video on it would be nice. We'll start off the video by looking at the outside of the tin and looking at the little detailing and the paintwork. It looks pretty sweet and very festive as well. Now this is the bit I really like, this little section which features a Santa's workshop. You can see that a lot of thought has gone into the detailing and decoration. There is also a mirror just to the left hand side as well. The lighting is of course provided by this little LED which is mounted in the roof of the tin. The underside of the tin has the usual information printed, such as ingredients, nutritional information, relevant warnings, allergy advice, storage advice, and basically any information that you would expect nowadays. The underside of the tin also opens up to reveal 2 bags of chocolate chip cookies, which I must admit were really delicious. It is also here that you will see the little clockwork mechanism as well. All in all, I think this is a nice little tin. Although I think the only bad thing I would say about it is that the batteries are not changeable, so once the battery runs out for the light, then that's it, you can't use it anymore. But apart from that, it's a nice little product. It was definitely a welcome present as well. I have no idea how much it costs though, but of course you don't ask them sort of things, do you? So I'll leave you all to make up your own minds on that one. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this little video and see you again soon. Bye bye.